The first step to isolate the exponential. Add 1, right? Okay, add 1 means 101. We do have some mistakes, people saying that was 99, which means you didn't add 1. That's a basic algebra thing. Okay, then take log of both sides, right? So log of 3 to the x plus 4 equals log of 101. And then what do I do? Which property do I use now? Use the power property to take this exponent and move it to the front. So now we've got x plus 4, and it really should be in parentheses, right? Times log 3 equals log 101. You know, if it's not in parentheses, then what you're saying is x plus 4 log 3, but it's not x times log 3, right? It needs to be both. That needs to be in parentheses. So next step, divide by the log 3. Right, so these cancel. So now we've got x plus 4 equals log 101 divided by log of 3. Still not solved. How do I isolate the x? Subtract 4, plus 4, and a fair number, maybe not a majority, but a fair number in here, divided by 4. That's, again, that is a very basic algebra thing. A plus 4 you get rid of by subtracting 4. Subtract 4. Cancel, cancel. And if you do that, you should get 0.20009. You know, you can't be confused with the logarithms. These logarithms of numbers here, they're just numbers themselves. I mean, you could have like turned that all into a decimal right away. I mean, what would that have looked like? Log 101 divided by log 4. You could have had this step look like this. X plus 4 equals 4.2009. If you would have just turned that into a decimal, and then if I said solve for x, what would you have done? Subtracted the 4. Maybe it would have been a little more clear. But this here is just a number. You know, we could have simplified at any point along the way.